Hey guys, right, we're coming back and we're doing another cooking video out here today. I'm fed up of being stuck indoors and it's quite nice weather today, lovely and sunny. Out for a walk with the dogs. Just do a quick video. A little bit of a cheat here, but it just makes life so much easier. And it's just petroleum jelly on cotton wool balls. Just a handy little container to keep it. Start getting some slightly thicker twigs in. Like that. And then while they start burning, you can get a bit more bigger ones on top. Should get going nicely. Put some big ones on there so we can start getting a good bed of embers on. Right, today I thought we'd come out and we'd cook a so-called pauper's dish from corned beef ash. So in here, a little bit of bread, just to mop up all the gravy in that, a couple of carrots, an onion, and some potatoes, and of course corned beef. What I'll do, I'll put all this in there. No, I'm not going to lose it. Some washing up liquid and some olive oil. G knife, as you can see, it just takes off the peel and does an absolute amazing job. And again, minimal waste. Right guys, I'll bring you back in a minute or two. You don't want to be sat here watching me do all the preparing. See you in a minute. Hey guys, just finishing up now with the last little bits of carrot and onions and everything have already gone in. And then we can start getting it all seasoned up and ready to go in. Last thing I'm going to put in is the corned beef. So it doesn't need cooking. Right. Let us get stock cube. This is a handy little tip. If you crush the stock cube while it's in the bag and then just tear the corner of the packet, then you can actually sprinkle it and it makes light work of getting it crumbled in and you don't get it all over your fingers. There you go. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. And that's it so far. Some water. This is just cold water for now. Like that. And we'll get that on like I said before, once we've got that boiling now and all the potatoes and carrots and onions and everything have all starting to soften up, last thing we'll do is we'll chop a bit of this corned beef up and we'll put that in. And then we'll enjoy some lovely cooking out here and enjoy the weather. Right guys, I'll bring you back in a bit. Here we go. I'll just give you a quick zoomed in close up now of what we're having for dinner. There it is, going to be cooking away in there. And then once it's ready, I'll show you. Well, we'll be putting the corned beef in soon, so I'll bring you back when we do that. There we go. She's still bubbling away nicely now. Look at that in there. Absolutely yummy. And that's all I'm cooking it on. A couple of these little noggins of wood. I'm just about to hear it now. Starting to froth up and bubble. Not taken long at all to get to this stage. Let me see if I can zoom in into the fire, and you can just see the little noggins just in there, just smouldering away. Absolutely lovely. Right, anyway, I'll bring you back in a bit when we start getting a bit closer to getting ready to eat. Right, here she is bubbling away nicely. I'm just going to give her a little bit of a mix round. Look at that. Right, I'll bring you back in a bit. Hey guys. Right, this is bubbling away. Lovely now. We're getting a bit close now to being able to put in the corned beef now. Just chop some lumps into it. And funny enough, I'm becoming a new best friend by the dog. Should be enough. And what we'll do now is let the dogs have the rest as a treat, and I'll get back to you in a little while. Right, we'll just keep giving this a stir and a mix up. Have a look at that in there now. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. And again, I'm just now slowly cooking it on them bed of a few embers down the bottom there. If I wanted to speed things up, I'd just stick another log in. Alright, bring you back in a minute. Right, this is done now. I'll start scooping it out. Get some of that in the bowl. Some nice gravy going. And there we go. A nice corned beef hash cooked out in the wild on the folding firebox and on the Swiss Army or Swedish Army Trangia stove. Absolutely lovely. Right, I'm going to sit and enjoy this now, and I'll bring you back in a little bit.